Have you ever wondered what goes into creating the world's most iconic fizzy drink? Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to uncover the secrets behind Coca-Cola, a beverage enjoyed by over 1.9 billion people daily. From its legendary recipe to its cutting-edge production process, let's unlock the magic behind this global phenomenon. Coca-Cola's story began in 1886 when Atlanta pharmacist John Steith Pemberton created a unique elixir to alleviate headaches. Little did he know, this simple concoction would evolve into a global sensation. Just 2 years later, entrepreneur Asa Candler purchased the formula for $2,300. Through his innovative marketing strategies, Coca-Cola became a household name and a cultural staple worldwide. Today, the original formula is one of the most closely guarded trade secrets. Known as the secret recipe, it's said to be safeguarded in a high-security vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. This vault is equipped with palm scanners, steel doors, and a numerical keypad, adding to the mystique of the recipe that transformed a local drink into a global powerhouse. While Coca-Cola's ingredients are printed on every bottle, its true essence lies in its natural flavors, a blend of botanicals and other mysterious components. These flavors are what give Coca-Cola its unique taste and are kept under wraps. Only a select few within the company know the exact formulation, and even the locations where the concentrate is produced remain undisclosed. Water, making up approximately 90% of the beverage, plays a crucial role in Coca-Cola's production. To ensure consistency, water undergoes a meticulous nanofiltration process at every production site. This guarantees the same crisp, refreshing taste no matter where you enjoy a sip, from the bustling streets of New York to the serene deserts of the Sahara. Coca-Cola's production process begins with its secret syrup. Surprisingly, this essential component arrives at the factory in unassuming plastic containers. Once at the plant, the syrup is diluted with purified water and blended with either natural or artificial sweeteners depending on the product. For instance, high-fructose corn syrup is used for classic Coca-Cola, while aspartame is used for Diet Coke and Coke Zero. This mixture flows through a series of pipes into large batch tanks. At the mixing station, it's carbonated with carbon dioxide, giving it the signature fizz we all love. This step is critical as it creates the refreshing bubbles that make Coca-Cola so iconic. Before the beverage can be bottled, the containers undergo rigorous cleaning. Bottles are flipped upside down, rinsed with high-pressure water, and returned upright. Cans are similarly sanitized to ensure they're spotless. Once cleaned, bottles are labeled with Coca-Cola's iconic red and white design using high-precision labeling machines. Each label is meticulously aligned to ensure perfection. Similarly, cans are prepared with their vibrant designs ready to be filled. With the bottles and cans prepped, it's time to fill them with the syrup mixture. The liquid is kept at a precise temperature of 41 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure stability and prevent foaming. Advanced filling machines ensure each bottle and can is filled to the exact required level. Once filled, bottles are capped using an automated capping machine that twists caps tightly to lock in the carbonation. Glass bottles receive an aluminum crown cap, which is crimped on securely. For cans, a seamer tightly seals each one, ensuring the fizz stays intact. Coca-Cola's commitment to quality is unparalleled. High-tech inspection machines scan each bottle and can for defects such as cracks, improper seals, or misaligned seams. Any product that doesn't meet the strict standards is immediately removed from the production line. Additionally, every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure consistent flavor and carbonation levels. Only after passing these tests are the bottles and cans approved for distribution. Once filled and sealed, Coca-Cola bottles are wrapped in sturdy cardboard for protection. This cardboard is precision cut to fit around the bottles securely. Shrink wrap is then applied to provide an added layer of safety during transit. For cans, sturdy boxes are used, and shrink wrapping ensures they stay firmly in place. These wrapped products are then sorted and stacked by automated systems. Robotic pallet organizers arrange them with precision, optimizing space and ensuring stability for transport. It's like a perfectly orchestrated puzzle, ensuring every piece fits seamlessly. The final step in Coca-Cola's production journey is distribution. Loaded onto trucks, the products are transported to distribution centers and retailers worldwide. This efficient logistics system ensures that Coca-Cola is always available, whether at a local grocery store or a far-off picnic spot. Coca-Cola's dedication to innovation extends beyond production. In recent years, the company has introduced several initiatives to reduce its environmental impact. For instance, it has developed plastic-free packaging solutions, such as cardboard clips for holding bottles and cans, which are fully recyclable. This initiative alone saves 200 tons of plastic annually. Coca-Cola is also actively involved in recycling. Used plastic bottles are collected, sorted, and processed into new containers. Coca-Cola's ability to adapt and innovate has been key to its success. In 2023, the company invested heavily in refining its bottling operations, increasing efficiency, and expanding production capacity. These smart investments led to a 6% growth in beverage sales, totaling $45.8 billion that year. Looking ahead, Coca-Cola continues to explore new technologies and packaging solutions to meet evolving consumer demands while remaining environmentally conscious. The company's efforts to balance tradition with innovation ensure its place as a global leader in the beverage industry. From its humble beginnings as a headache remedy to its current status as a global icon, Coca-Cola's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Behind every bottle lies a meticulous blend of science, craftsmanship, and a touch of magic. The next time you open a bottle of Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the incredible effort and innovation that went into creating it. And if you're curious to learn more about the fascinating processes behind your favorite products, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factory Made for more exciting journeys into the world of manufacturing.